Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to do my 1 month review on the brand new WOLFBOX G900 Pro. I just got done doing a week-long trip in Utah for Trail Hero, off-roading in the Jeep. It was about an 8-hour drive north from Arizona, and I started the drive at nighttime, and I want to just share a little bit of how this looks at night. The camera in the rear is not as impressive when it's pitch black, but during the day, the camera in the rear is much better. It gives more detail than the original G900. The colors are a little washed out. I will show you that right here. But the front camera is where you really win. You really see the difference there. So let me show you a little bit of an example of the front camera and just driving through the city. All right, so then also when driving around off-roading is a lot more clear even at night. Here's an example of someone's Jeep breaking down. You can just see it's very clear. It's a nice camera. I mean, this front camera is almost comparable to having a GoPro on the front dash. Just always recording, especially compared to the G900. I wasn't able to use as much of the original footage off-roading. It just doesn't come out as clear. It looks like it's coming from a dash cam, but with the G900 Pro, this front camera, it looks as good as a GoPro. And that's pretty impressive, I'd say. So during the day, the rear camera is very good. You know, you can see all the colors. And then the front camera is also so amazing. Speaking of that noise, that is the voice control for the WOLFBOX G900 Pro. So that is very useful if I'm driving and something happens. I can say, lock video. And automatically the video locks, or I can say rear camera. One of the coolest things about that is when I want to connect my phone and download stuff, I can say turn on the Wi-Fi. Turns on the Wi-Fi, I pull out my phone app, and then it will be easier for me to connect. I don't have to go into the settings, find where the Wi-Fi is, and turn it on. I can just tell it to turn it on. So that right there is amazing. I found that driving with this, even at night in the dark roads where you really can't see much out of the back, if there's a car behind you, you can really see that they're there. You can really see what they light up. It's almost like a regular rear view mirror with the screen turned off. That's at pitch black areas, because you wouldn't be able to see out the back here at night. But when somebody lights it up with their headlights, you'd be able to see it. WOLFBOX is supposed to come out with a fix for that rear camera. So hopefully that fix comes out soon, and I will update everybody once that fix comes. But I wanted to share that so far I'm very impressed. I've you know, come across a lot of different off-roading trails that just, it really is, it's like I'm mounting my GoPro on the front. So I had no issues with the heat, the temperature. You know, it was 100 degrees each day for Trail Hero. It was a hot day. So that was no issues at all. So let's go through and play some footage from the WOLFBOX G900 Pro.